So Saturday, June 23rd, 2018, I will be offering a welding class here at my shop in Caledonia, which is close to Milwaukee, Wisconsin, about 10 minutes away from the Milwaukee airport, an hour away from the Chicago O'Hare airport. Whoever wants to participate in this class, it's going to be from 9 to 5 on 6/23/18. We will be doing MIG welding, some pulse MIG welding, some stick welding. I would classify the class as a intermediate/advanced class. If you want or need some tips and tricks on some cast iron, aluminum, some oily hydraulic pipe, some tricks of the trade, that's probably the class for you. If you're just looking to get into welding, this is not a beginner class. You need to be able to like hold an arc and have a little bit of understanding what's going on. Beginner classes, that'll be a separate topic. If you're interested, we're planning on 6 people, 3 machines, rotate a little bit, get everybody a taste of what's going on. Some stuff inside, some stuff outside. A real project. There should be an excavator bucket here where we can do some air arc gouging on it and then fill it back with dual shield flux core or some stick rods, some joint configuration, some filler material talk. So I'm thinking it's going to be a good time. Whoever is interested, please read the description of the video in order to know exactly what's going on, what we do, when we do this, to get all the times, info, dates, and also to contact and sign up for this class. So there will be an email address in the description. Please use this email address to sign up, to contact me, or for further information. Till then.